This is beauty.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here I am today in a ski resort and it's cold but it's really nice. I came here to learn the ski, but I'm really amateur and really beginning. It's been like several fall and I couldn't even stand still. but it's really good. I really like this weather. It's awesome. You see the view. It's cool, right? So here is my ski resort and my friend Irisa, he already broke his hand. No man, it's not broken. Come on.
Yeah.
No, that's normal. That's joint. Let me see. And it happens. I have also this.
You have that.
Yeah, I have also this. Yeah, I have these also. So it's normal. It's totally normal. So don't worry. Keep going. So our objective is to learn at least to stand and fall properly. And we are planning to take that belt road actually. Let's see. I already have several injuries already. So let's go and let's see how many falls that I have to survive today. It's gonna be a hard weekend, I think. I'm tired and we have here like different belts like green, blue, and I think blue is the beginners one, and probably we are here at wrong place. We are at green. But I think green side is that side one and we are planning to go that side. It's been like 30 minutes and I'm already tired. Yeah. Oh. And look guys, how we are curing ourselves. You see, this is a natural curing with the natural snow, and the snow is really awesome. Wow, it's so soft. I just came from there to here and it's almost all of my energy just gone. So one round is almost finished and it's very tiring. See, my hair is done and I'm sweating literally. And Risha is still struggling with his hands. But it's a bit improved that I can feel myself, and it's good actually. The place is so amazing, less people and full of snow. See, just awesome. It's been almost a couple of hours, but now the weather just suddenly changed. It's full of fog at this moment. It's too cold and I'm falling more and more.